Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by prioritizing safety. Turn off the correct breaker and label it so it stays off. Once power is confirmed dead with a non-contact tester or multimeter, remove the bulb and inspect the socket and bulb base for corrosion or looseness. You're looking for visible damage or a loose fit that causes arcing. While you do this, keep hands dry and wear gloves. If you see charring, stop and proceed to a full fixture inspection, because that indicates a deeper problem. Now you open the fixture box and inspect connections carefully. Tighten screws on the socket and switches, and resecure any loose wire nuts. Once done, examine wiring insulation for frays or scorch marks that signal overheating. You should also test the wall switch by removing it and checking continuity or swapping it with a working switch. A failing switch often causes intermittent flicker. Make sure to keep the breaker off while working and only restore power briefly for testing with tools at hand. To finish, replace any damaged socket or switch with same rated parts and repair wiring per local code. If you're uncomfortable, call an electrician. Once replacements are in, install compatible LED bulbs and remove incompatible dimmers or upgrade them to LED-rated models. After reassembling, restore the breaker and observe the light for 10 to 15 minutes. Watch for consistent illumination. If flicker returns, make note of when it occurs and try isolating low.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.